Welcome to the future of light. My name is GINA, your GLP Intelligent Neural Avatar. I am here to present you the new innovative GLP JDC2 IP. The JDC2 is the design tool you've been waiting for. Like the JDC1, the JDC2 also has a powerful white LED strobe line. This linear LED strobe line is equipped with the latest LED technology and is more powerful than before. The optimized extremely steep flash ramps ensure an even more realistic and intense strobe impression. Like the JDC1, the LED strobe line can be divided into 12 segments and can be controlled individually to create dynamic and sparkling intensity effects, or run dynamic integrated patterns. Now, let's talk about color plates. The color plates of the JDC2 are 30% larger, which increases the visual solid angle for more visibility. The saturated colors and exceptional brightness provide powerful diffuse lighting with an increased output of more than 25%. The special black LED masking ensures a black front appearance. The two color plates can be addressed separately with 2x6 segments or 2x12 segments. Now, let's break down the color plates into individual pixel precision. You see correctly, the new JDC2 offers the ability to create breathtaking digital effects with an individually controllable pixel matrix. With more than 100 integrated digital effects, the so-called GLP JDC2, the JDC2 gives you an extremely wide range of digital video-like content with the option of real-time manipulation. Here are some samples. But what about your own content? Do you want to match the existing video content from live camera or video walls with a JDC2? The future of light is indeed here. Additional to these integrated GLP JDC2, the JDC2 allows you to capture up to 4 external NDI streams and display them directly on the JDC2. No license-bound protocols or expensive video processors are required. Plug in the NDI, select the stream, and you're done. It couldn't be easier. You see the potential of this unique product. Here are a few more details. The head of the JDC2 is motorized with 180-degree tilt. The extremely robust housing in a modern design is, of course, IP65 rated. The GLP JDC2 offers the innovative GLP IQ mesh interface. As you have seen, the new JDC2 stands out with cutting-edge design and performance, with superior brightness, color saturation, and construction. Extremely simple system integration and control of the internal effects and DigiFX allow the user to focus on what it's all about: creative design. The JDC2 is a product that pushes the boundaries of what is possible and holds the future in your hands. Bigger, better, brighter. JDC2 IP, the future of light.